Will Terra Luna Classic be added to Twitter? LUNC priced to explode. Terra Luna Classic has piqued the interest of investors, thanks in part to the community-led restoration plan. Terra Classic is one of the most popular crypto assets on the price-tracking website CoinMarketCap in Europe and Asia. CMC revealed the information in its recent study on global cryptocurrency market trends for the first quarter of this year. So where do we see it going? Welcome to Cryptonomics, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly never contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comments section. So, in this video, we are going to talk about Terra Luna Classic being added to Twitter. If you're new here, consider subscribing to my channel and turning on the bell icon so that you can get notified each time we upload a new video. Remember, this is for entertainment purposes only. This is no financial advice. Now, let's get to it. According to the data, Terra Classic had a significant 11.4% market share in Q1, making it the sixth most watched crypto asset among Asian investors. This outstanding ranking places LUNC ahead of other major tokens such as Ethereum, ETH, XRP, and Binance Coin, BNB. LUNC was ranked lower than BTC, Babydodge, SHIB, and Pi. Furthermore, the survey states that Terra Classic is the fifth most seen cryptocurrency among European investors, with a sizable 9.88% share of total views in Europe. In this category, LUNC is only outranked by Bitcoin, Shiba Inu, Ethereum, and Solana. The European and Asian areas have a sizable proportion of the most crypto-inclined countries, and these figures attest to Terra Classic's rising appeal on these continents. One of the key elements fueling its social activities is the community-led redevelopment plan, which strives to restore the asset's lost splendor. Furthermore, according to CoinMarketCap statistics, Terra Classic is by far the most watched asset in the decentralized finance, DeFi, category on the site. In Q1 2023, LUNC accounts for up to 44.2% of all views given to the DeFi sector. According to the research, one of the key drivers of this increased interest in the asset is the burning campaign, which has now burnt approximately 52 billion LUNC. Terra Classic's trading volume on Binance reflects this rise in interest. According to market data, Terra Classic's trading volume increased by 42% from 2.86 trillion LUNC in December 2022 to 4.07 trillion in January. Despite a modest decrease in volume, it has maintained over the 3 trillion threshold throughout the year. While we see the rising popularity of LUNC, another great news has come our way. eToro, a social investment platform, announced Thursday that it would offer crypto and other asset trading services directly to Twitter users through an agreement with the social media business. The tool will provide real-time pricing for cryptocurrencies, stocks, and other assets to Twitter users who search for dollar cash tags like $TSLA or $BTC and will lead them to the eToro site to invest in them. The great part is that LUNC is also tradable on eToro. This means Twitter users can now directly buy and sell LUNC using the platform. The partnership is global, so Twitter users around the world will be able to access this dollar cash tags feature, an eToro spokeswoman informed CoinDesk after this piece was published. While users looking for a dollar cash tag sign on Twitter now view live price charts for a limited number of financial assets, the cooperation with eToro will hugely increase that selection, according to a press release shared with CoinDesk. According to Twitter internal statistics included in the press announcement, since adding pricing data for dollar cash tags in December, the social media network has registered 420 million searches, with the top 5 searches including Tesla, $TSLA, Bitcoin, $BTC, and SPDRS and P500 ETF, $SPY. CNBC broke the story first, and then eToro verified it on its own Twitter account. The growth of dollar cash tags corresponds to Twitter owner Elon Musk's efforts to incorporate financial services into the platform as part of his plans to build a super app. Musk has previously stated that he would like Twitter's planned payment mechanism to support both crypto and fiat currencies. Terra Luna Classic price trends. LUNC's price has been stable between $0.02 and $1.03 since its debut in 2019. When the crypto market exploded in mid-2021, the price of Bitcoin began to rise. By the end of 2021, it was nearly around $100. The price of LUNC thereafter fluctuated between $50 and $100 until it achieved an all-time high of $119.18 on 5 April 2022. The next month, its price began to decline, and the entire Terra network ecology abruptly collapsed in mid-May, with LUNC nearly at zero. The whole crypto market was impacted and lost about $45 billion in a week following the Terra meltdown. So far, its performance since the crash in May 2022 has been disappointing. However, if LUNC does well in the future, it will be a cause for celebration not only for one cryptocurrency, but for many others. Price analysis of LUNC. LUNC's most recent price movement has been quite erratic. LUNC was trading at $0.117 at the time you were watching this video, with a market value of $690,214,217, ranking it as the 70th biggest cryptocurrency by that criterion. LUNC has struggled to gather traction during the last 24 hours, falling 7.57% with a trading volume of $73,816,754. Despite many attempts by bulls, the price of LUNC has been unable to break past a crucial declining trend line since October 2022. While continuous accumulation may contribute to a positive turnaround, there may not be enough liquidity to maintain movement inside the primary support level of $0.12. Despite the market volatility, Luna Classic has witnessed a lot of favorable occurrences this year, indicating the possibility for some big gains. Looking at the larger view, LUNC holders have several reasons to be positive about the future. The Terra Luna Classic community is rallying behind suggestions to burn more LUNC to lower LUNC supply and up the price of the altcoin. The Terra Classic blockchain was upgraded to version 1.05 in February, which not only improves platform functionality, but also increases security and dependability. Furthermore, the upgrade is essential since it allows Binance to restart burning LUNC coins. Binance sent 1.612 billion LUNC tokens to the burn address in the most recent LUNC token burn batch. More importantly, the Terra Luna Classic community agreed early this year to repeg LUNC's sibling stablecoin USTC to $1. This effort aims to elevate the algorithm stablecoin to the Terra Classic USD, USTC, coin. As previously stated, a repeg would involve a large-scale burn of Luna Classic tokens, implying a price increase for LUNC and boosting its price. All of this represents the amount of community work spent to raise the burn rate of the Luna Classic. So far, around 52.5 billion LUNC have been burnt out of a total circulating supply of 5.9 trillion, indicating that more work still needs to be done. The LUNC burning is projected to increase and extend significantly as the year continues. Given the deflation of LUNC supply, ongoing blockchain enhancements, and the projected entry of new projects to the ecosystem, LUNC is well positioned to realize its potential by 2023. According to some, Terra Luna Classic is one of the most astounding cryptocurrencies to emerge this year. The Luna Classic price estimate for 2023 forecasts a substantial gain in the second half of the year, perhaps hitting a high of $0.314 by the end of 2023. As with other cryptocurrencies, the growth will be steady, but no significant declines will occur. Averaging $0.289 in price is highly ambitious, but it is doable in the near future considering predicted cooperation and developments. If the project falls victim to the bears, the LUNC price is predicted to plummet as low as $0.255. Thank you for watching. I hope all the shared information will be helpful for you all, and if you have any questions or doubts, please leave them in the comment section. I will try my best to sort out your confusion. Till then, stay tuned, keep supporting us, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more informative content.